Hello everyone, welcome to Math VPN channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you power rule of a derivative. And first of all, I would like to explain what is derivative. Derivative is the process in which minimizing the functions. Again, I repeat, derivative is the process in which we minimize the function. How minimize the function? Let me show you people. Here, y is equal to x raised n. This is a function. So let's start. Apply d over d x on both sides. Y is equal to d over dx x raised n. Now this is equal to dy over dx. Dy over dx now equal to, here understand the rule. This is a power. Write this power here means to just in the start. Again writing this function x raised n minus 1 and d over dx into x. How x? By ignoring this power, writing this function x. After ignoring the power, writing x here. Now simplify it. This is dy over dx and equal to sign n x raised n minus 1. Here d over dx is equal to 1 and we have as answer is n into x raised n minus 1. So this is the power rule of derivative. Here is dy over dx. This is the power rule of derivative, writing n in start. After solving this, x raised power n minus 1. And let me show you how to minimize the function. Let's say here see this is n and minus this 1 from the power. So this is a minimize the function. So let's look at an example. Suppose y is equal to x raised power 3. Apply dy over dx, the derivative d over dx into both side, d over dx. This is the basic rule of derivative. Dx x raised 3. Now solve this. Power 3 is in start, writing x here. 3 is the power and minus 1 from the power, d over dx, writing the function that is equal to x by ignoring the power. Here I ignore the power, so simplify it. 3 into x raised square, 3x square into 1. This is 1. So we can write here 3x square dy over dx. So this is the rule of derivative, the basic rule, power rule of derivative. You can see that here the function is minimized and the power rule apply, and this is the rule of power rule of derivative. So I hope you people got the idea. If you have any confusion, you can comment under the video, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe MathVPN to watch more videos like this.